Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
Suzuki unveils 2022 Katana motorcycle. The 2022 Suzuki Katana is now more powerful with better technology thanks to the new Euro 5 engine, that is capable of producing 152 horsepower of power at 11,000 revolutions per minute. Suzuki has unveiled the new 2022 Katana motorcycle during the ongoing 78th International Motorcycle and Accessories Exhibition. The new Katana gets completely revised color range and several new updates, both in terms of mechanics and technology. The new Katana will come powered with a new engine. The 4-cylinder 998cc inline engine, now Euro 5 approved, has been updated with a new camshaft profile, new valve springs, new clutch, new exhaust system among others to improve maximum output. The engine is capable of producing maximum power of 152 horsepower. It will be equipped with an electronically controlled throttle and will evolve into the second generation. That smooth power delivery can be further controlled thanks to the Suzuki Riding Mode Selector system, with 3 selectable engine maps. All 3 offer the same peak power, with Mode A providing the sharpest and sportiest response, Mode B providing the smoothest initial power delivery, and Mode C providing the smoothest response, ideal in wet and slippery conditions. Additional controllability and improved performance also come thanks to a new Suzuki clutch assist system, with a slipper clutch that mitigates the effective engine braking when downshifting from high RPM. A 2-way quick shift speeds up gear changes and improves performance on sporting tours, and there are 5 traction control modes to choose from to keep things under control. Traction control can also be turned off. The new Katana uses the same lightweight double-beam aluminium frame and swing arm used in GSX-R, with fully adjustable KYB front forks and an adjustable damping rear shock. It also gets Brembo monoblock calipers for its 310mm front discs. The aluminium wheels have 6 spokes. The 2022 Katana will also come in new colors, with the crisp angular bodywork. It gets finishing in dark matte blue color, complemented by gold forks and wheels, while a solid iron gray iteration is launched with red wheels. Completing the electronics package is Suzuki's handy easy start system and low RPM assist, which increases engine speed as the clutch lever is pulled out, to help control slow speed and prevent stalling.